crash tyres. I've got a Suzuki Alto here on a 2013 plate. Just doing an indicator bulb. As you can see in the display right there on the right hand side, how it's flickering at the moment. So it's doing it quite slow. As I turn it to my left, you see how fast it's doing it. So that means on the left hand side, the bulb is not working. That one's flickering really fast. As you can see right there, the back one is working, but the front one isn't. So we're going to replace this one. It's quite a simple procedure. It's the plug right there, the top one with the green wires. Now to undo it, you twist it to your right and pull the whole thing out. The bulb you need is an RB581. You slot it through the hole. You then twist it to the right. Now you can see that one's working. And now to the right. You now can see that one there stop flickering really fast. Anyways, thank you very much. Goodbye.